People think lack of sleeping is a problem, but actually sleeping late damages our health more. In my clinic, I see lots of people, even college students, they are feel tired and they have black eyes and difficult concentration, cold hands, cold feet, starting to lose hair. So all those actually, again and again, this is one pattern, but they all sleep late around midnight or even after midnight. So they are still functional, they still can study, can working, but actually this habit gradually weak their body and the symptoms gradually show up. Why? Because in traditional Chinese medicine, our body follow nature light repair rhythm. From 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. That's the time for our body have deepest repair phase. From 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. that's the gallbladder system active time. From 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. it's the gallbladder system active time. So during this time, our body starting to repair and inward. Our blood return inward. Energy restores our body. The whole system reset. So during this time, if you are still awake and the repair process cannot be complete, also sleep late, gradually waken our young energy. Young energy should be active in the daytime. That's why we have energetic, studying, working, you do the things. But in the evening, the young energy should be inward and settled. If you still young energy cannot be settled and you have difficulty to fall to sleep or awake or the whole evening. And also sleep late, gradually weaken our kidney functions and the kidney energies which connect to our body's fundamental strengths. So all those actually gradually show the symptoms like gray hair, darker eyes, and difficult concentration, cold hands, cold feet. So even though you feel fine right now, but actually if you already show these symptoms, that means your young energy and the kidney energy already starting to weaker and weaker. Many people, including lots of the college students, think, oh, I can catch up the sleep late. If I can, totally sleep for 8 hours, that will be fine. Actually, it's not. Our body follows the nature light repair rhythm. So if you miss the repairing window from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m., your body cannot fully repair itself. So that's why in my clinic, I told my patients and emphasize this sleep before 11. So for this week, we'll start one simple health habit. If you usually sleep around midnight, then try to sleep 30 minutes earlier. If you sleep around 11:30 p.m. usually, then try to sleep at 11. If you already sleep before 11, then try to settle your body down. Let the young energy try to enter inward. So gradually, we'll rebuild our body's nature light repairing realm. So in my clinic, this is the first thing I told my patients, to the health habit they need to build. And then every week I give them one piece of the health habit to ask them to follow. Sometimes even 2 pieces. So the health is not only built by one piece of habit, but gradually practice step by step, follow the health habits and build their health. So that's why I create the DrJoyWellness online program, and so I can guide people, the members, step by step, practice every week. Each week, just a small piece, small habit, health habit, just build, and gradually, then you can restore your energy, you can rebuild your health, and you have the long-term vitality. For more information, you can go to DrJoyWellness.com.